In this lesson, we learn how to solve equations with absolute value. On the screen, you see the equation, the absolute value of x minus 3 equals 5. Take a quick look and try to guess the solutions. We will come back and solve it step by step. Here is the basic idea. First, isolate the absolute value on one side of the equation. Second, turn it into two equations, one where the inside is positive and one where the inside is negative. Third, solve both equations and check the answers in the original equation. Let's take a look at some examples. We start with the absolute value of x equals 4. Absolute value measures distance from 0, so x can be 4 or minus 4. Now, the absolute value of x minus 2 equals 7. We write two equations, x minus 2 equals 7 or x minus 2 equals minus 7. From the first, x equals 9. From the second, x equals minus 5. Next, the absolute value of 2x plus 1 equals 5. We write two equations again. 2x plus 1 equals 5 or 2x plus 1 equals minus 5. From the first, 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. From the second, 2x equals minus 6, so x equals minus 3. The pattern is always the same. Isolate the absolute value, split into two cases, and solve both. Now back to the hook. The absolute value of x minus 3 equals 5. We split into two equations. X minus 3 equals 5 or x minus 3 equals minus 5. From the first, x equals 8. From the second, x equals minus 2. Both of these are 5 units away from 3, so both are valid solutions. Key ideas to remember. Isolate the absolute value first. Write two equations, one positive, one negative. Solve both. And always check your answers in the original equation. Now it's your turn. On the screen you see the absolute value of 3x minus 2 equals 7. Pause the video, solve both cases, and write your solutions in the comments. If this helped you understand absolute value equations, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's learning algebra.